Hello, everyone, and welcome to the final presentation for the Information Technology for Business course. We are Team 6, consisting of Fernando Garcia, Valeria Encinas, and myself, Cesar Duran. Today, we are trying to present the strategic technologies, innovation, and proposal for GreenTech and vertical farms. This project demonstrated how meeting sustainable agriculture with cutting-edge IT and revolution the food production industry. Let's start with a brief overview of the company. GreenTech Vertical Farms. It's an agtech company that operates a state-of-the-art indoor hydroponic vertical farm. The mission is to produce fresh, healthy, and sustainable food using innovative technologies that optimize natural resources. The vision is to become a leading urban vertical farming company in Mexico. The company focuses heavily on supplying pesticide-free vegetables and herbs to local restaurant and a supermarket, while keeping its everyone impact to an absolute minimum. The To understand where technology can make an impact, it is necessary to look at the operation and value chain. The core process behind with meticulous set selection, transitions in the hydroponic cultivations, and continuous crop monitoring, and ending with precision harvesting, packaging, and distribution. On the value chain side, the primary activities involve inbounding logistics for the training and outbound delivery of fresh products. To support this, the company relies on the decade the human resources and the strict program strategies, and most importantly the technology development, the vision, which is the focus of today proposal. And the competitive analysis, a SWOT analysis was conducted to identify the strategic study. The primary strengths are the sustainable production methods and advanced infrastructure. However, the main weakness are the high initial investment cost and the massive dependence on the electricity to run the facility. Externally, there is an opportunity with the growing demand for organic food and smart agriculture, but the business faces threats from rising national energy costs and a strong local competition.
In technological innovation proposal, to overcome the heavy reliance on expensive electricity, the proposal serves a synergy of three powerful technologies. It integrates a single technology, energy efficient computing, with the Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. This combination creates a cohesive ecosystem. It's especially designed to drastically reduce operational expenses, optimize how water and natural and nutrients are consumed, and maximum crop yields. In energy efficient computing, let's divide into the first pillar, energy efficient computing. Indoor vertical framing frequent 24/7 climate control and intensive AD lighting. The process the immense amount of data generated by the frame, there is a need for 80 infrastructure that doesn't add the massive electrical override. By deploying low power energy efficient edge servers, the firm assures lower overall electricity consumption. They directly cause operational costs and reduces the carbon footprint. Furthermore, optimized hardware runs scholars and lasted longer, which significantly reduces long-term hardware resilience costs. In artificial intelligence and IoT, the next two technologies access the nervous system and brain of the farm. The Internet of Things provide real-time analytics. IoT sensors will be deployed across every ground rack to continuously monitor temperature, humidity, latency, and other page levels. The artificial intelligence taking over eye analysis and the data collected with the IoT sensor to perform crowd health monitoring and disease detections. Uh, Instead of manual labor, the AI will make autonomous real-time decisions, installing a Trunte smart lady controller and irregularity values to ensure perfect growing conditions.
Implementation schedule. Implementing this requires a structured 6-month schedule using the agile methodology like Scrum or something like that, RUP in some cases. During month 1 and 2, the focus will be on diagnosis and planning, which includes purchase the IoT sensors and energy efficient servers. In month 3 and 4, the project moves to configuration and pilot testing. Servers will be installed and tested along with the automated LED and irrigation system on a single isolated crop rack. By month 5, the full implementation will be executed across the entire farm. Finally, in month 6, like any other software project or any good professional project. Beyond that, will be dedicated for ongoing evaluation, maintenance, and fine-tuning the AI algorithms. In key performance, we have to measure success. Strict key performance indicators have been established. The primary goal, driven by energy efficient computing, is to achieve like 25% reduction in overall energy usage within the first year. Furthermore, by using the precision of AI and Internet of Things, the target is like 20% increase in a crop yield, alongside a 50% reduction in water waste. There is also an aim to keep equipment downtime under like 2% to guarantee continuous operation. Financial and risk management. Regarding the financials, the total estimated investment for the proposal is like $30,000. This covers hardware, software license, human resources, and contingency fund. To mitigate the risk of high implementation costs, the investment will be phased and application for government AI technology. Grants will be submitted, and to protect against the IoT sensor failures, backup inventory will be maintained alongside strict maintenance schedules. Lastly, to prevent cybersecurity, advanced and data encryptations, hardware, firewalls, and all these things that we need for cybersecurity will be implemented for the agricultural data. And the last, we have ethical and sustainability considerations. Like impact were also evaluated. In environmental, this project drastically lowers the company ecological footprint. Only certified energy efficient hardware will be purchased, like low cost servers that doesn't consume a lot of energy. A strict e-waste recycling protocols have been established. Socially, this implementation upskills the current workforce and curators, especially tech jobs, while providing the community and with healthy, accessible food. Finally, regarding AI ethics, strict algorithms and transparency is being enforced to prevent biased harvest forecast and ensuring total data privacy.
Conclusion. In conclusion, the integrator of energy efficient computing, IoT, and AI is a transformative step for GreenTech vertical farm. By automating climate control, integration, and lifting long-term profitability will be secured through a 25% drop in energy consumption. The strategic technological adoption solidifies the company's position as a sustainable innovation leader in the urban architecture sector. Um, and this concludes the presentation. Thank you very much for your time and your attention.